So if you could just share with us how your business got started, because you guys are the power couple, power team, you have an amazing company. Please share a little bit with us. To introduce you to this amazing couple and their fabulous design company. Please share a little bit.
Well, Maddie, thank you so much. Maddie was so gracious to come in today and share her experience and success and just heart-centered wisdom with our sales team and our sales team on the wholesale side, calling on and serving the design market, the retail furniture market here in Orange County, throughout California, Arizona, Nevada, and Hawaii. So really,
Wow.
thank you. They loved it, and we got great nuggets and pearls of wisdom from you.
So if you could just share with us how your business got started, because you guys are the power couple, power team, you have an amazing company. Please share a little bit with us.
Sure, thank you. So in a nutshell, because nobody wants me to go on and on about this, is we have had our business since 1984. That was my first year out of college. And it's morphed and grown and contracted and shrunk and succeeded and failed and all those things since. And 4 years later, we have this really cool, multifaceted home furnishings and design company. It has been so much fun getting to know Maddie, and the really cool thing is obviously you love working with Maddie, and we are so aligned on just taking great care of our clients and our customers. So if you love great service, which obviously you do because you love Maddie, you would love working with Bassman Blaine Home. We have such a talented team that are so service oriented, and we I-dot and T-cross in an industry that sometimes that doesn't happen. So if you love value, if you love amazing design, and you want to be really well taken care of, we would love to hear from you.